And it's Michael Grudecki back for the Blizzard of 2011, 11. You're gonna see some whiteout conditions right now. Hold on, folks, this is not special effects, this is the real deal. Hold on, it's scaring me. Look at those whiteout conditions. The wind is blowing. We're gonna do a quick maneuver to get to the front of this, to get to the top of this and figure out what's happening. We got ourselves the Kane County Police right over there, right at the stop sign. Why aren't they conducting traffic?